Wilmington, North Carolina, Kings Grant area. It's about 4:48, 4:49 in the morning. Good breeze going so far. We're all sandbagged up and boarded. You can't really see a whole lot of the boarding, but because it's still dark out. Everything's calm so far. It's gonna change here in a few hours for sure. Got quite a few neighbors staying, and they're not even boarded up. I think they're fucking crazy. But pretty tight-knit community here in Kings Grant. We all help each other out. Hopefully we all stay safe. And I'll check back in here in a little bit. Hurricane Florence.